Pakistan squad for T20 World Cup 2024. Saim Ayub Muhammad Rizwan, Babar Azam Fakhar, Zaman Azam Khan, Iftikhar, Ahmed Imad Wasim, Shaheen Shah, Afridi Muhammad, Amir Nasim, Shah, Haris Rauf, Abrar, Ahmed Shadab Khan, Abbas, Afridi Usman Khan,